Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online class of English grammar for grade 8A. Here I am your teacher Mr. Snowla, and today we are going to do module 6 from your workbook with the topic passives. Today we are going to solve exercise number 1 on page 47. As I mentioned earlier, our topic is passive. So in the beginning of this module, last time we have gone through the basic information about the active and passive sentences, and we have discussed how an active sentence is converted into passive voice and vice versa. So here on page 47 we have got three exercises, means three different sections, and we will solve according to the instruction. Our objectives are very clear. In this lesson, the students will learn how the varying shapes of active and passive sentences are used in a narration. Also, the students will learn which helping verbs are used in the passives according to the tense. Exercise A, Module 6, page 47 of the workbook. I am going to read the text or the question statement. Please be clear about the question. There should be no ambiguity or confusion. Before you solve the answer, there should be a clear understanding. Here we go with the question. Read the text and complete the gaps with the best form, active or passive, of the verbs in boxes. For exercise A, we have got 4 verbs and also 4 blanks, means 4 gaps. We will complete the sentences by using the correct form of verbs. So these verbs will be used in either active form or passive voice, depending upon the narration. Here we go. And this is the last stage of production process. As you know, Swift trainers are expensive, and the reason they cost, this is now in active form. They cost so much is that they are made of the highest quality leather. They are made, now this is the passive voice of present tense. We have exported over 10 million trainers. We have exported, now this is the active form of present perfect. We have exported over 10 million trainers to countries all over the world, and our shoes are worn. Our shoes are worn by all types of people. Our shoes are worn, number 4 answer. This is a passive voice of active present tense. So far we have concluded exercise A of module 6. Here we go with exercise B, module 6, page 47. There are 4 verbs: write, give, stay, be. I am going to read the narration along with the answer. And that was a track from the latest CD by D.D. Brown. So number 1 answer will be completed with was. And that was a track from the latest CD by D.D. Brown. The songs on the album were written. The songs on the album were written. Were written. Now this is the passive voice of simple past tense. The songs on the album were written by Didi herself when she stayed. When she stayed. When she stayed, my dear boys. This is the active sentence of past indefinite tense. When she stayed in Ireland last year. The CD goes on sale next week, and half the money from the sales will be given to the Children in Need Fund. As the beginning of the last sentence shows that there will be a future activity, means next week. So keeping that fact in mind, we will use give. We will use the verb give in the passive voice form of future indefinite tense. So the complete answer will be like this way. I am going to read again. The CD goes on sale next week, and half the money from the sales will be given to the Children in Need Fund. Like, I will give you another example. All the boys of grade 8A will organize a book fair next week. They will sell some books as well, and half the money from the income will be given to the charity fund. This is the example here. Okay, now we go to exercise C of module 6, page 47. Again, the same pattern, the same style. We have got 4 verbs. We are going to complete the sentences by using the correct form of the verbs. Here they are talking about the model of a car. This is actually a car. If, as you see in the book here, they are talking about the model of a car. This is a Premiere console. This is a Premiere console, sir. As you can see, it has been redesigned. It has been redesigned. Okay. Now this is the passive voice of present perfect tense. It has been redesigned. The seats are more comfortable and there is a sunroof which opens when you press this button. This model also comes with all the safety features which are checked very carefully by our technician before they leave the factory. So the last sentence has 2 answers. The first answer means number 3 answer will be in active format. This model also comes, and the number 4 answer will be written in the passive voice of present indefinite tense. Are checked very carefully by our technician before they leave the factory. So far we have concluded our all exercises A, B, C of question number 9 of page 47. And here you go with your homework. You are going to write a descriptive paragraph about any event or thing by using a fine blend of active and passive sentences. Write a paragraph of at least 7 or 8 different sentences, and those sentences should have a very good mixture or combination of active and passive sentences. Hopefully you will do the work and understand the lesson. Thank you very much.